A new state law went into effect today that's aiming to keep violent criminals off the streets throughout North Carolina. We're talking about Iryna's law, which is named after the Ukrainian refugee who was stabbed to death on a transit train in Charlotte. News 13's Ryan Stockett reached out to a law enforcement advocacy group about the effects that this law will have in keeping our streets safe.
If they deserve to be in jail for a violent criminal and cost someone's life, they need to be in jail or be monitored continuously.
Rondo Lance with the Fraternal Order of Police sharing with us his thoughts and feelings on Iryna's law, which just went into effect. This measure modifies pretrial release conditions specifically for people charged with a violent offense. It limits bail and ensures more defendants undergo mental health evaluations. While Lance tells us this law will put in place much-needed checks and balances that will help keep dangerous criminals off the street, defense attorney Rob Heroy tells us it's going to be a disaster for local court systems and jails.
It creates a lot more work that the jail has to do, and they don't necessarily have the funding to do what it requires.
We reached out to local sheriff's offices asking if they anticipate any fallout. A public information officer with the Henderson County Sheriff's Office messaged us back saying in part that the sheriff doesn't expect much impact. We also spoke with our contacts at a couple other sheriff's departments who told us over the phone that they anticipate this law having a significant impact on the jail population and the number of staff they'll need to hire because of it, but they were unavailable for an interview today.
As far as violent criminals, I hope there wouldn't be that many that it would overflood our jails.
Ryan Stockett, News 13.